Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to make hard kombucha. First, you'll brew a strong batch of sweet tea, typically using 1 cup of sugar per gallon of water. Once cooled, add your SCOBY and 1 to 2 cups of starter tea to your fermentation vessel. Cover it with a breathable cloth and let it ferment for 7 to 10 days at 75 to 85 degrees Fahrenheit. This initial step creates the base for your delicious hard kombucha. Now for the hard part. After your first fermentation, transfer the kombucha to airtight bottles, leaving about 1 inch of headspace. This is where you'll add your chosen sugar source, like fruit juice or dextrose, and a specialized yeast, such as champagne yeast. This yeast will consume the added sugars, producing alcohol. Allow this second fermentation to proceed for 5 to 7 days at room temperature, creating a bubbly, alcoholic beverage. To make your hard kombucha truly unique, consider adding flavorings during the second fermentation. Fresh fruit purees, ginger, or even a touch of honey can elevate the taste. Remember, the yeast will consume some of these sugars, contributing to both flavor and alcohol. Once carbonated to your liking, typically after 5 to 7 days, move the bottles to the refrigerator. This cold crash stops the fermentation, preserving the flavor and carbonation. Safety is paramount when brewing. Always sanitize all your equipment thoroughly to prevent mold or unwanted bacteria. Regularly, burp your bottles during the second fermentation by briefly opening them to release excess pressure, preventing potential bottle explosions. Once complete, store your hard kombucha in the refrigerator to maintain its quality and carbonation. Now, you can enjoy your delicious, homemade hard kombucha responsibly.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.